Are your lungs feeling heavy? Pollution and toxins are clogging your breath.
Let Clean Eats AI help you clear the air and breathe deep again.
Mullein is a master at clearing mucus, while Peppermint opens up your airways instantly.
This combination is like a deep clean for your respiratory system.
Just breathing in the steam helps loosen the junk trapped in your chest.
You'll feel your chest open up in seconds.
When your lungs are clean, your blood gets more oxygen and your energy skyrockets. Stop panting and start performing at your best. Practice this breathing technique with our tea for a total lung reset.
Your breath is your life force. Protect it.
Clean lungs mean a clear mind and a strong body.
Take a deep breath with Clean Eats AI. Follow for part 16.